Are you tired of the never-ending quest for the perfect diet that promises rapid weight loss without leaving you hungry or fatigued? Let's unravel the ultimate weight loss battle. Watch the entire video, you will learn a lot. One of the most popular contenders in recent years is the ketogenic diet, but how does it stack up against other low-carb alternatives when it comes to effective and sustainable weight loss? Let's embark on a journey through the realms of keto and its rivals to unravel the mystery of which low-carb diet reigns supreme. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, and extremely low-carb diet that aims to put your body into ketosis. By consuming less than 50 grams of carbohydrates per day, your body starts burning fat for energy instead of glucose, leading to rapid weight loss. Atkins' diet promotes a phased approach, gradually reintroducing carbohydrates as the body adjusts. The Atkins diet shares similarities with keto in its initial emphasis on reducing carb intake, but it doesn't enforce the same strict limit. Advocates argue that the Atkins diet offers more flexibility, making it easier to sustain in the long run. Paleo Diet focuses on whole foods such as lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds while excluding processed foods, grains, and dairy. Although not explicitly low-carb, the emphasis on real, unprocessed foods often leads to a reduction in overall carbohydrate consumption. The Paleo Diet's proponents argue that by eliminating modern, processed foods, individuals can naturally regulate their weight. South Beach Diet aims to strike a balance between good carbs and healthy fats. It consists of 3 phases, with the initial phase being the most restrictive to kickstart weight loss. As the diet progresses, more foods are reintroduced, allowing for increased flexibility. The South Beach diet differs from keto by not promoting the same level of fat intake, emphasizing lean proteins and healthy fats instead. The Mediterranean diet is widely celebrated for its heart-healthy benefits. The Mediterranean diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and olive oil, with moderate consumption of fish and poultry. Though not strictly low-carb, the Mediterranean diet's emphasis on complex carbohydrates and healthy fats can contribute to weight loss. So which one is better for weight loss? It ultimately depends on your lifestyle and goals. If you thrive on strict rules and enjoy high-fat foods, keto might be your best bet. But if you prefer a more balanced approach that still yields results, other low-carb diets can be effective too. Keto enthusiasts often boast about the rapid weight loss experienced during the initial stages of the diet, attributed to the body entering ketosis and burning fat for fuel. However, the Atkins diet, with its induction phase, can also yield quick results. The Paleo and South Beach diets may provide a more gradual weight loss, emphasizing overall lifestyle changes rather than a quick fix. The Mediterranean diet, while not designed specifically for weight loss, has been associated with maintaining a healthy weight over time. The key to a successful diet lies in its sustainability. Keto's strict carb limit can be challenging for some, leading to a phenomenon known as the keto flu, characterized by fatigue, headaches, and irritability. The gradual approach of the Atkins diet may be more sustainable for individuals who find extreme carb restriction difficult. The Paleo and South Beach diets offer a middle ground, allowing for more flexibility and variety in food choices. The Mediterranean diet, with its emphasis on a balanced and enjoyable lifestyle, is often considered the most sustainable over the long term. One concern with low-carb diets is the potential for nutrient deficiencies. The ketogenic diet, if not followed with care, may lack essential nutrients found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. The Atkins diet, Paleo, and South Beach diets generally prioritize a diverse array of foods, reducing the risk of nutrient deficiencies. The Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and olive oil, provides a well-rounded nutritional profile that supports overall health. While weight loss is a primary focus, it's crucial to consider the impact of these diets on overall health. Studies suggest that the ketogenic diet may lead to improvements in markers like blood sugar levels and triglycerides, but concerns about long-term effects on heart health have been raised. The Atkins diet, when followed with attention to food quality, can have positive effects on heart health. The Paleo, South Beach, and Mediterranean diets are generally associated with improved cardiovascular health due to their emphasis on whole foods. Remember, the key to successful weight loss lies in creating a calorie deficit and finding a sustainable eating plan. The battle of keto versus other low-carb diets is nuanced, and there is no one superior choice. The key lies in understanding individual needs, preferences, and health considerations. Before embarking on any diet journey, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that the chosen approach aligns with personal health goals and overall well-being. So, which low-carb path will you choose on your journey to weight loss and improved health? The answer lies in careful consideration of what suits you best in the long run. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.